Okay, so I'm looking at this number, so this is very blurry, and I'm assuming that this is 4 over 5, and this is like sine of u, I believe. So sine of u equal 4 over 5, and cosine of u equals negative 12 over 13. So this is negative 12 over 13, I believe. And that looks like negative, right? Okay. All right. Okay, so first let's start with this. So what we're trying to find sine of u plus b. By the sum formula of sine function, let's expand this first and then we'll figure out what we need, right? So this is going to be sine of u times cosine of v, and then plus, and then you change the function, which is going to be cosine of u times sine of v, right? So it's going to be this. Now we need to figure out what is given to us. So this is given to us, right? This is 4 over 5. We need to find this guy, and then we're giving cosine of v is giving, sorry. Cosine of v is giving to us, which is negative 12 over 13. And we're going to have to figure these two, right? Okay, now let's, for this, we're going to need two triangles. So this is the first quadrant. So in first quadrant, we have the angle u. That's right here, which is opposite is 4. This is 5, and this is going to be 3. So then if I need a cosine of u in the first quadrant is positive, which is adjacent over hypotenuse. So this is going to be 3 over 5. And then we're going to need another triangle, but this one is in the second quadrant, right? Because between pi over 2 and pi means you're in the second quadrant. This is like a v here. And cosine is negative 12. This is 13, and this will be 5 by Pythagorean theorem. And sine of v will be opposite over hypotenuse, so that's positive 5 over 3, right? So now I can multiply this 4 times negative 12, that's negative 48, 5 times 3, 65, plus 3 times 5, 15, over 65 again. And then this is going to be 65 at the bottom, and negative 48 plus 13, that's negative 33. So it's negative 33 divided by 65, assuming that I write this numbers correctly. But if it's not, then the idea is the same. First, you expand it, and then from what's given, you can create triangles and figure out what's missing, and then just plug them in and compute it.